In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Apple Pencil USB Type-C. The USB Type-C Apple Pencil is the one that has this small sliding lid here and reveals a USB Type-C port. To charge it, you have two choices. Both of these choices involve you having a USB Type-C cable that is not included in the original box. So take your USB Type-C cable, this is the first method, connected to the port of the pencil. You just need to lift this small cap here, like that. And the other end of the USB Type-C cable connected to your iPad. Okay, not here, over here in the USB Type-C port. And this is it. You just need to let these sit on a table, usually after, I would say, 30 minutes. It should be fully charged. Now, the other way how you can charge this pen if you do not want to connect it to an iPad is to connect it the same way we did here, but this time instead we're going to use a normal USB Type-C charger. Any charger that is able to charge at 5 watts and even above will work. The only thing, okay, and this is a bit strange, is that Apple decided that if you connect it to a charger, it will charge slower than connecting your Apple Pencil USB Type-C to your iPad. When you connect it to your iPad, it will fast charge. When you connect it to a charger, even if the charger is fast, it will still be slow charging, so it will take more time. So if you're okay with this, go ahead, do it. If not, simply connect it to your iPad. And by the way, I have put links in the description if you want to get a USB Type-C charger and a USB Type-C cable if you didn't have one. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.